Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today is going to be a little bit more casual because I'm actually going to go visit family. So this is going to be more a casual video. It's obviously a vlog based on the title. Before we get into the vlog, I actually wanted to showcase to you guys the equipment that I'm going to be using and testing out while I am down there. Now this video is sponsored by Xbotgo and they actually sent me this gimbal and the tripod to test it out. It's actually more for sports AI tracking, but I am doing a more vlog style, so it should do the same thing where, you know, it tracks. So before I get to some of the nitty-gritty details and then of course go with the vlog, be sure you are subscribed to my channel, ring that bell so you are notified when I do upload a new video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for the vlog because I want to share you guys some more intimate points of my life. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle right here. And let's get started with the video. Alright, so I'm actually seeing my family at the end of the month. So it gives me enough time to play with this, get familiar with the settings, the app, and so forth. And this is their smart AI tracking. Now, again, like I said at the beginning, this is more for sports AI. So if you're playing like soccer, basketball, it's great to tracking the player, and especially for parents out there, if you have a child and you don't want to stand there having shaky hands and recording your kid, this is so good for you just to sit back, relax, and it will do the work for you. And it's steady, which is the number one thing that a lot of us can agree on, that we don't want any video footage to be shaky, right? We want steady, smooth. We love that. So I'm just gonna move over for a bit so I can like pop up the window on the website. So as you guys can see on the website, so there are 5 packages to choose from. You can choose the gimbal just on its own, or the tripod, and so forth. Depending on what your needs are, you could pick the all-inclusive, or if you just want the device, then the gimbal on its own should just be fine for you. Unboxing this right now. This is what it looks like. There are some instructions here, the manual. There is a pouch, of course, and here's what's inside the box. So of course you get the gimbal, you get a little tripod, and you get a remote control device. So again, when you put this on like a standing tripod, not this one, but like an actual tripod, and you want to use the remote control, you can definitely use that. So I, of course, will definitely play with this. I need to play with the app, get familiar with it. So we will open it. So you can move this around, scroll wheel, and it actually says right here, the direction of the camera should be in the middle clamp facing up. So we love the fact that there are instructions telling you that the phone should be facing up. There's no reason that your phone should be facing downwards. So it does look like it charges with a USB-C right there. And again, there's some other features here, you know, zoom in, zoom out button. Pretty sure you like up, down, controlling the camera, and then you get to rotate the portrait to landscape mode. Now they also sent me this. I'm presuming that this is like the actual tripod itself. So we're gonna unbox and see. Most likely it is. And it also comes with a pouch. So this is the tripod T1, says so on the bag right there. I don't know how tall this thing goes. I was not expecting them to send this either. So you have that where the gimbal can sit on top of it. These also pull down. I kind of want to see how tall. Like these look like they could really stretch. Yeah, this looks like it can stretch really far. So I hope you guys can see this. So the gimbal will obviously be on top, be about like maybe yay high or so when this is fully extended. So this is definitely great when, again, if you want to record any sports events like soccer, football, and so forth. And when you want to capture the player that you want to focus on, this will definitely, you know, do its thing, turn, and so forth. So this is really nice. So that is just the gist of the device right now. So I'm going to go ahead and play with it and get familiar with the app and so forth, just so I don't have to fumble with it while I am there. So I will see you guys in the vlog now. Landing in Philly, quick flight, right early actually. So now we're heading to our rental car. So we just got to Dunkin' Donuts, as you guys saw, and obviously we have to be here because we don't have Dunkin' Donuts back in Toronto. So we're just gonna go here, go to Starbucks, stop by CVS first before I head to my cousin's place and surprise my niece. So I apologize for day one ending so abruptly. I was very tired. We went to the mall, we hung out with my niece for a bit, and I actually walked into Sephora thinking I didn't need anything, but I found this and I've been dying to try this out. I can't really pronounce this. It was Ciele, C-I-E-L-E. We don't have this in Canada, and I was dying to try this out. So this is SPF 60, and this is a tinted serum. So this is a weightless serum, a daily skin protector offering light to medium coverage with a natural finish. So I'll get to the nitty-gritty details afterwards, but I definitely wanted to check this out and see how it is. I could have bought it online. I didn't want to pay for shipping fees, okay? So this is what it looks like. Very beautiful. So we are actually going out to Target. I brought like minimal stuff with me. So I have my skincare on. I have a bit of sunscreen on already. Did a bit of concealing, like brightening there. Other than that, not too much going on. So very minimal. And I got in the shade 6 medium tan, and number 4 was way too light. It comes in a dropper, and because this is a tinted serum, it is very liquidy, very runny. And the lighting here is probably not the best lighting because it's fluorescent lighting. The color looks a little crazy, but I tried it in the store. It seems to match very well. And because it's a tinted serum, it's very lightweight. So I wasn't too concerned about the color matching. Because again, this is a tinted serum. It's very light to medium coverage. So another thing as well is that I will be out and about pretty much all day. I have a Phillies game to go to because my niece bought tickets for, so it'll be my first Phillies game. I do like the dropper, very sanitary, and it does look like it oxidized. So if you see like my initial one and then afterwards, you can see there was some oxidation there. Hopefully the camera picks that right there. Hopefully the camera is able to pick it up. So do be mindful of that. Like in the store, it does look fine after drying down. Again, this is a tinted serum, so it should work out fine in terms of, you know, color matching. Yeah, so day one, we didn't really do much. I took a 2-hour nap. Oh my gosh, I was so tired. So after the wedding, got home, did some last minute packing, like all the nitty-gritty stuff, and then went to bed like basically midnight. Woke up at 4:30. I woke up way before my alarm clock, so I was extra tired. I couldn't really fall asleep on the plane, and our flight was like an hour and a half anyway, so it wasn't really too long. And then got there, car rentals and everything, it was really busy. I forgot that because it's the last long weekend before school starts, everyone was flying in, out, you know, the whole short business too. So it was a time, especially when we're trying to rent out the car. I feel very glowy. I'm sure you guys can see. Color matching, again, the line could just be bad, but it seems pretty okay. When I tried it on the store, it seemed pretty good match, but you know, Sephora lighting can't be really trusted too well. But number 4 would definitely have been too light on me. Because this is more of like a natural-ish type of look, I think for today, not really going full beat. I'm not gonna go full heavy-handed on like the concealer and all that stuff. So still keeping it natural-ish. So this is what's happening. I'll give you guys a better look when we go outside with more better lighting. Can we acknowledge this glow? Like holy glow. I definitely do need to set this for sure. Good thing I brought some setting powder. And there's my husband's appearance. So I have a little spongy thing here. One, to blend out my concealer and hopefully maybe take out a bit of the excess around here. I'm gonna get rid of some of that, make it a little bit more blurred out as well. Right now, going with Rare Beauty, we're just gonna brighten a little bit more under here. Again, we're not gonna go in like full out beat, just enough. Just brighten that up a little bit. Let's quickly go upstairs and check out the situation. So as you guys just saw, the color, not too bad. I feel like it's a little bit more light medium coverage than like a lighter coverage. It is a tinted serum, yes. Color wise, not too bad. I feel like because my body is so much darker than my face, I think it's probably like throwing it off from my chest a little bit. I don't know, what do you guys think? think? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so I am going to finish off the rest of my face right now, my brows and all that stuff, and then we're gonna go to Target and all that good stuff. So I'll take you guys with me throughout the day. I was horrible with day one, my apologies. We'll do better today. So we're at Target right now. It's been a while since I've been to a Target. Let's see what else is up around here. Because clearly, Canada sucks at having a Target.
It was.
Wait, what? You didn't talk to me.
You were drunk as shit and everywhere.
Before that.
Before that.
Please remember to drink responsibly and never drink and drive. Thank you and enjoy the ball game. Fans, every home game, Phillies Charities Incorporated.
7-hour check-in. Pretty oily. There's there's my thing. I'm pretty oily all around here, breaking up.
You doing a check-in?
Yes, I am.
Guys, we're at the Phillies game.
So I'm a little oily around the nose. Not too bad. Selling to my my smile line.
You don't look oily in person though. Like it's just on, I think it's just on camera.
Probably. I feel like my nose is a little oily.
I don't think so.
So I feel like it's selling to my smile line a bit right there. A little oily around the nose. Not too
She
bad.
looks beautiful, guys. I don't know.
Anyways, we're at the Phillies game. So 7 hours, not bad so far. Like I'm still looking pretty good. A little smudge around here, but whatever. I didn't use my whole routine, so that's what's happening here. But overall, not bad so far.
Out of respect for our country, we ask that you please remove your hats.
That's it out. Take a picture with the help sign.
Need help? Someone needs help.
I need help.
You do need help. So my niece went upstairs. So we're getting Shake Shack right now. I'm getting a milkshake because it's hot as shit. Anyway, so we're getting the MVP shake. It's supposed to be like Oreo, whatever. But just a little quick check-in. I noticed that like the side of my nose, it's breaking apart a little bit, and same thing at the other side. We shall see how it is at the end of the night, but it's holding up quite well for a tinted serum. So we shall see. So it's just after 10 o'clock right now, and you know, I'm quite surprised that this held up very well that it did. You know, being a tinted serum, yes, there is some breaking apart like around the crevices of my nose, but I did not really set this with like my usual stuff because I don't have it all here. But for a basically kind of like 10-11 hour day, other than like this, like my eyeliner kind of setting, kind of bleeding underneath my eye here, I didn't really have much eyeliner really because it's just eyeshadow. And then, but this side is not so bad. The size of my nose is a bit oily. The tip of my nose is actually not that bad. Overall, I'm actually quite matte. Again, because this is not my usual face that I do with like my extra setting powders and all that stuff, especially when I was outside all day in the humid at a Phillies game. Not bad so far. So I kind of like this. So right now I am going to take off my face, get ready for bed. It's been a long day. Tomorrow we have some, you know, sightseeing, shopping to do before we head home on Labor Day. So unfortunately we only have one day left here with my family, and we're gonna have a you know, a dinner afterwards as well. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna take all this off and I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Huzzah!
Can we make a wish?
So we are at the airport again. Ryan's in the bathroom. I'm enjoying my Starbucks. Sorry I didn't really do any vlogging on the way here because one, it's our last day. I was busy packing and I was also driving. So there was not much for me to really record while driving and at the same time. I don't have my mount obviously in the car for me to do that. Anyway, so I'm enjoying Starbucks. Ryan's in the bathroom and I'm exhausted right now. Then we have to go pick up the kids at some point when we come home. So yeah, we did get some stuff as well, so it's pretty good so far. Family, there's a lot of drinking with family, like holy moly. Anyways, I'm gonna enjoy my coffee. I got some stuff to do on my phone, answering emails and all that, and I'll see you guys back at home. So I look like a giant mess right now, but I am home. As you guys can see, I'm exhausted. I just did some vacuuming. I picked up the kids. They are home now. And I'm just completely tired. Like, look at my hair. It's just a whole mess. I just wanted to say that I had a great time visiting my family. It was much needed. I watched my first Phillies game, which was very interesting actually. The stadium was actually very nice, and I was kind of scared that it was going to rain. Thankfully it didn't, but yeah, I was afraid that was going to happen. Overall, everything was great. My family was very welcoming of Ryan, so pluses to that. I probably won't be able to see my family in the next couple of years because since we're going to Asia next year, there's lots to do there. So unfortunately I won't see them for a while, but hopefully the sooner the better. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and shout out again to Xbotgo for sponsoring today's video. The device was so easy to use, like everything was wonderful through and through. It's not bulky at all, and I loved how easy it is to use, the buttons and everything like that. So if you guys are interested, do go check out Xbotgo. Anyways, you guys, so I'm gonna take a quick nap. I'm exhausted. I don't know if you guys can tell right now, but yeah, so I will see you all in the next one. Bye.
So instead I'll sing